Chris Cinnamon here. Thanks for checking out this video. It was recorded in front of a full house during my 2024 Summer Qigong Workshop. For more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please like, comment, and share this video. It helps spread the word about the powerful benefits and fun of what I teach. What I'd like to do now is get up and guide you through the next move. And it's similar to the first move, but now we're going to change the plane of the circle. So let's get up, sink into a 𝗏 squat. Now place your hands palms down at a comfortable height. This is the back of your horizontal circle. Now stretch up the 𝗏 and go to the front of the horizontal circle. Sink into a 𝗏 squat, come to the back. Stretch, bend. And as a vertical circle, get a sense of the legs stretching, sending the arms out, sinking into the 𝗏 squat, drawing the hands back. Lightly stretching to the front of the circle, bending to the back. Now you may be saying, but Chris, that's not a circle, and I would agree. To get the circle now, we're going to add another movement component, a little bit of hip rotation. So watch. I'm in my 𝗏 squat. I turn my hips a little. Now I stretch, turn the hips. They're at the front of the circle. I begin to sink in the 𝗏 squat. I turn my hips a little. Come to the back of the circle. And I encourage you to keep the hip rotation small. It's a small hip rotation. And if you feel any twisting or discomfort in your knees, turn your hips less. So here we are at the back of the circle. So turn your hips a little, stretch. Now hips are straight ahead here. Turn your hips, sink. There you go. So as we did with the front and the back of this circle, the hands and arms pretty much stay oriented in front of the torso. And the sides of the circle come from hip rotation rather than the shoulder joint. Nice. That's the basic move. What I would like you to do now is start at the top of your head, feel your way down your body, and feel for, where am I muscling or carrying tension that I can let go? Eventually, we want this move to be pretty soft. And for most of us, particularly that have done, high impact athletics, martial arts, contact sports, we're used to pushing and straining, and it's just how we move. In Qigong, not so much. And by relaxing, you will help this move promote more blood circulation, which is a good thing. And according to Qigong theory, you'll move more qi. Come to the back of your horizontal circle. Change directions. Nice. That's the idea. Follow me to the front of your circle. Feel the top of your head. Inhale. Release down. From the front of your circle, release down your body. Release. And feel if you can get that release to go from the top of your head, down your feet, and out your feet. In that way, with every repetition, you're aiming to release more tension. Come to the back of your circle. Change directions. Nice. Two more. Come to the back of your circle. Smoothly back to neutral.